Introduction. Java and Python are both powerful programming languages with unique strengths and weaknesses. This summary compares them on various aspects such as syntax, speed, and use cases. Java, statically typed language where variables must be declared before use. Python, dynamically typed language where variable type doesn't need to be declared. Speed. Java, generally faster than Python as it is compiled to bytecode and runs on the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Python, although slower due to being interpreted, the difference in speed can be negligible in small applications. Use case. Java, used for developing enterprise-level applications, Android apps, and for web and server-side development. Python, ideal for data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and web scraping. Tips and common error-prone cases. Java, avoid null pointer exceptions. Remember, Java is case-sensitive and always handle or declare exceptions. Python, avoid indentation errors. Do not use Python reserved keywords as variable names and be mindful of the mutable default arguments. Conclusion. Choice between Java and Python often depends on project requirements, team's familiarity with the language, and the specific use case. While Java offers robustness and speed, Python offers simplicity and a powerful standard library. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of both can help make an informed decision about which to use for your next project.